How to make Snapchat dark mode. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make the Snapchat dark mode. So guys, to enable the Snapchat dark mode in Snapchat, you will have to follow some steps. So open the Snapchat app and then go to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen. And after that you will have to tap on the setting cog at the top right. Then scroll down until you find the app appearance and select it. So you can see app appearance. And after that you can see always dark mode. So you have to tap right here on always dark. And you can see you will have to tap right here on the restart now. And then it will convert it into the dark mode. You can see that. So guys, note that the dark mode was only added to the Snapchat recently, so make sure that your application is up to date. If you are using an Android device facing dark mode in the OS, does not appear to work for the Snapchat. So also be aware of the Snapchat dark mode may not be available on all the devices or in all the region. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.